In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect colour match. We are Coco Bella Academy, a hair extension training academy. Subscribe to our channel if you're looking to grow your existing hair extension business. Before we start any colour match, you need to gently comb through your client's hair, and while you're doing that, you're checking for any contraindications. Contraindications such as skin conditions, bald spots, even head lice. So to get a more successful fitting, you have to make sure that the client is suitable to wear extensions. Once you're happy that the client is suitable to wear extensions, you can now start with the colour match. It should be noted that the client's hair from the top, middle to the bottom can all show different shades. You have to match to the ends of the extensions, not the top of the client's natural hair. So you're matching the ends, not the top. So now on to our colour ring. So this is our Supplier colour ring. Please note you must only use the Supplier's colour ring that you choose to buy the hair from. We'll start by sectioning a part of the client's natural hair. Now, using our Supplier colour ring, we're going to take all the swatches that we believe will match. So I'm going to isolate all the blonde swatches for now. Now that I've selected all the shades that I believe match the client's hair, I'm going to put each swatch to the client's natural hair, comb it through, and if the swatch blends in, then it matches, and if it's noticeable, just like this one, you can see it's quite a dark blonde, you can see that when it's very visible, so that one definitely doesn't match. So now that we're happy that that doesn't match, you can eliminate that one. So we're just going to keep working through all the swatches, combing them through the natural hair, and as we can see, that one blends absolutely perfectly. We can't even see that, so we'll keep that one. And we're going to try another colour. You can see that that's probably just a little bit too warm, but it is best to try and add as many colours as you can for a more seamless blend. Very rarely will someone be just the one colour. So we like that one, and now we've only got another two more to try. I think that one just seems a little bit too warm as well. Yeah, that's too warm. So now I'm happy to go with the two shades. We've got the standard kind of blonde colours, which is 613 and 60A, which is the A is mean more of an ash tone. So with the two colours, that will give more of a seamless blend, and it'll be nice when the hair's curled and stuff. There'll be a little bit of dimension. That is how we colour match our clients. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments, and hope to see you on the next video.